Hi, my name is Leela Vati. I am an Ayurvedic and a holistic practitioner, and we are here in the Temple of the Lotus, which is my Ayurvedic yoga studio and therapy center. We are on the infamous South Street in Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. I've been a holistic practitioner since 1982. I have been a licensed esthetician, an herbalist, an aromatherapist, and have practiced many forms of body work and self-care since this time. We teach Ayurvedic yoga, and this is yoga based on the ancient philosophy of classical yoga, where the postures, the breath work, are based on the wisdom of nature as it reveals itself to us in any given moment. It's not a gym yoga or a power yoga. It's meditative yoga based on the principles of self-care and self-realization in accordance with nature. And we balance ourselves out as we reflect on what nature is providing for us. Also at the temple, I perform Ayurvedic practices, massage therapy, facials, Ayurvedic cooking classes, give private consultations for people, and this is a lab for my Aroma Bliss skincare product. Each one of the formulas, from the face cream to the body oil to the Nasya oil, it starts from raw herbs, and I infuse it into oils the way that it's been done for thousands of years in India. All the herbs are organic. I only find the best quality plants to put in all the oils. Everything I make is pretty much edible. There's nothing in there. There are no preservatives. There are no uncertain ingredients. Thank you.